Hello everyone, my name is Richie Lansang and this video is being recorded in compliance to the question number 8 of the assessment, where I have to discuss the environmental issues of the country where I'm residing. For your information, I am currently located and residing in Saudi Arabia, and what we're going to discuss here are the environmental issues which this country is facing. Now, let me describe you first the country. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country that produces the largest amount of crude oil in the world. It has strong leadership in OPEC, and cities that are placed in the seaside are highly developed. Saudi Arabia has strong economy based on their sale of oil, which makes Saudi Arabia to be capable of importing large amount of goods. The environmental challenges in the kingdom mainly talks about economic development, continuous population of growth, rapid urbanization, and increasing demand for water and energy create environmental challenges in Saudi Arabia. The most prominent environmental challenges: polluted water, increased emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, land degradation and desertification, and others, which may cause an increase in environmental pollution and environmental risks. However, what we're going to discuss further on this presentation are the main environmental issues, and these are air pollution, desertification, and water pollution, of which is always or has been always discussed in Saudi Arabia, and which the government is seeking several solutions to resolve these problems. Now, first is the air pollution. In Saudi Arabia originally comes from the crude oil. While they are refining crude oil, it creates different kinds of greenhouses gas that creates air pollution. These gases also increment of temperature of Saudi Arabia. As a result, air pollution in Saudi Arabia also affects desertification because of increasing temperature. Also, greenhouse from urban cities is causing air pollution as well. The second is desertification. It's a serious problem in Saudi Arabia according to the United Nations Convention to combat desertification. Approximately more than 98% of the landmass of Saudi Arabia is desert. It is not only the problem of Saudi Arabia, but also every country in Arabian region is suffering the problem of desertification. Approximately 2,331,000 square kilometers of Arabian region is desert, and desert of whole Asian region increased 1,671.8 hectares since 2012. Desertification decreases food production in large scale, especially production of crops. In Saudi Arabia, because of large scale of desert, only 1.6% of land is available for agriculture. Therefore, Saudi Arabia is highly depending on import for their food and industrial goods, which is over 7%. In addition, desertification eliminates water table underground, which results oases to be gone. Therefore, this hazardous cycle goes on and on. In order to resolve this problem, government of Saudi Arabia builds desalination plants to create pure water from seawater. However, this solution creates another environmental problem, and that is water pollution. During the process of desalination of seawater, machines heat seawater and gather the waste vapor, which is gathered to be pure water for agriculture and industrial usage. However, after a process of desalination, seawater becomes polluted with high concentration of salt. The aftermath of desalination is that the water does not only contains high salt concentration, but it also contains high concentration of metal. This water cannot be used in agriculture and city, so mostly they throw it back away to the sea. As a result, it damages ecology of the sea. Polluted water extinct hundreds of sea creatures. It damages biodiversity of Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and the Arabian Sea. However, the environmental protection in Saudi Arabia is a major factor in the battle tackling environmental challenges. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has broadcasted its efforts to ensure its contribution to the protection of the environment and its resources. Thus, the Saudi Arabian Authority for Environmental, referred to as the General Authority of Meteorology and Environmental Protection, pays a great attention to protect the country's environment. Saudi takes action to protect the environment by launching initiatives and projects related to the protection of the environment, and such as establishing a research fund for energy and the environment. The kingdom has the most significant environmental reconstruction project in history. The project is focused on developments which were integrated after the Gulf War and costed the kingdom more than 1.1 billion US dollars. The Center of Desert Agriculture works on developing sustainable low-input systems which use water efficiently to produce food and grains and are proportionate with the coastal desert environments that depends on agriculture in relations to seawater and sunlight. So therefore, the Saudi government has and always been a protector of the environment, despite the pollutions that we are facing here in this country. For more information, you can browse more in the official website, which is seen on the screen here, and mainly talks about environment protection. For more information, I hope that I have discussed and clearly informed you of the current situation on environmental issues in Saudi Arabia. Thank you very much for listening.